Barbie, giving bronze Barbie. That used to be my name on Facebook. Bronze Barbie. That's what it's giving me, okay? If you want to see how I got this cute little half up, half down with Katya, then stay tuned, okay? BRB. Hi guys, welcome back. So today I have a nice new wig review, okay? So I have for you a treat, okay? Bam! Oh wait, let me turn it around. Okay, so I have Katya, and I don't have it in a regular number 2. I don't have it in a 1B. I have it in this nice, lovely chocolate cream. DR chocolate cream. Okay, so we're gonna get started because I'm excited to put this on. Okay. All right, so this is the Outre Perfect hairline. It's fully hand tied 13x6 lace wig. So it does come with a faux scalp, but I already know that I'm not going to use the faux scalp. I just don't like those. So I'm going to cut that out. It says that it comes with transparent HD lace, and it is high heat safe up to 400 degrees. These are the other colors that it comes in, but we're going to get started on this one. Okay, so this is the inside of the wig. It comes with an elastic band already attached. It is not adjustable. This elastic band is not adjustable. So if it's too loose, too small, you can just cut it out. It comes with elastic straps, adjustable straps down here, a comb in the back. And let's see if it has combs at the... Okay, and it has 2 combs on the sides. The lace itself, it says that it's supposed to be an HD lace. Now, let's see how that looks on my hand. That looks pretty good. That looks really freaking good. Like, you can't even tell where the lace, look, where the lace stops. That's great. That's wonderful. It does come with baby hairs. Y'all know I love baby hairs. I love them. So, I have my trusty dusty scissors. First, let's try and see how it looks with the, like, faux scalp. Let's see how that looks. Okay. So, I already have a nude stocking cap underneath. I always wear nude stocking caps. And or you can try like a dark brown. It really doesn't matter, the stocking cap, if the lace on the wig is good, honestly. So let me just be clear about that. I love this. I love how it really goes ear to ear, like the tabs don't stop all the way up there. I love it. I love it already, and I didn't even glue it down. So let me roll up my sleeves because I gotta, you know, I gotta go ham on this joint. Okay. Okay. This is wonderful. I love it. So I'm going to cut the lace. Like, I feel like if I take the stocking cap off and then use the faux scalp, that it would look better. You wouldn't see that line of demarcation. So I'm gonna try that. Okay, no, you can still see it. So this is the faux scalp that's in the wig. That's not a stocking cap. I took my stocking cap off. I took it off. But you can still see that line of demarcation. So what I'm going to do is now I'm really going to cut the faux scalp out. Okay, so I cut the faux scalp out. You have to be really careful around here. And we are going to put this on. Y'all, when I tell y'all this wig is everything, okay. All right, before I start getting too hyped, okay. Now I'm going to change the angle of the camera so you can get kind of like a full view of the length. Okay. Okay. So this is where it stops, right under my boob. Okay. It is about 24 inches. I freaking love this wig. I love it. So we are going to spray her down. Okay, so now that I have
these baby hairs laid and slayed, I'm going to just add a little bit of powder so you can get rid of the halo effect. And then I'm going to get into a few styling options, like a few parting options, a few styling options, because this is a 13x6 and you can do pretty much anything with this wig. So you can wear a left side part, you can wear a right side part, you can do a half up, half down. You can do like braids in the front if you wanted to at some point, but I wouldn't do that on my head. I would recommend taking it off and putting it on a mannequin head and then doing the braids or any intricate styling like bantu knots. Right now, I got me some good
Give yourself a
headbands.
nice little slick back. Okay, with some cute headbands. Get into this headband. Y'all already know it's going to have some pink and purple in it because they are my favorite colors. Okay, so let's switch this out. This the one. This the one right here. Okay. Cute. Cute. Then I'm going. Okay, so I decided to do this cute little like half up, half down because I didn't want to put too much like heat on the part because I wanted to wear a side part, but then I was like, what if I want to wear it in the middle part? What if I want to try a different style? So I was like, all right, let me just, find something real cute. See that? Find something real cute and just do it like that. This is so freaking cute, you guys. I feel like I'm like a valley girl with this half up, half down. So you can see, get into the texture. Okay, so I love the wig. Like I love it. Like, but I feel like I can't do anything. I can't sweat. I can't move around too much. Like I can't do nothing but sit pretty because the texture of this hair already is it's supposed to be a kinky straight. So that's what it's giving me, but it is also giving me bunched in the back of the neck. It is also giving me doll baby is what it's giving me. So I feel like I just really have to sit like this all night. I love the color. Now, don't mind this right here. This is because I have on a dark brown stocking cap, but if you like melted your cap or if you had on a nude cap, this would look a lot better. If you can see, it is a dark brown, almost black stocking cap. But that's all I got to say about that. Oh my goodness, I love it. I wonder if I flat iron it a little bit, how it would come out. Thank you for watching.